They say if the leaf that's connecting to the stem of the pumpkin is dried or is square, then the pumpkin is ready.
I know by now my Eco-Tuesday family is thinking about self-sustainability, and I just want to say welcome back. And for those who are new, welcome. And today we'll be following this little baby. Is my first pumpkin ever I've planted, so let's go into the video to see how well it's done.
Well, this is the only pumpkin that grew on the vine. And so I'm gonna test that truth, right? If it's true that when the leaf is square, then I should pick the pumpkin. So I'm gonna pick the pumpkin today and see if they're right. I know nothing about pumpkin, so let's just try it. Also, they say you could cut a little triangle in the top of the pumpkin, and then if it's not ready, then you can put it back. But I already moved the pumpkin and the vine. Oops. Yeah, it got broken off, so I can't do that again. Yeah, so it came off. So I have to like take it up. It's been a long time coming for this little boy or girl. So this is it. And for the record, guys, it's now, what time is it? It's now 4:50 in the afternoon, and it's the first time in a while since I've stayed in on a weekend. So long, right? I haven't been out of my house since morning, and it's 4:50 in the evening, so that's a record because I'm always outside in my garden. Well, I got something from my garden at 4:50 in the afternoon, and it's not really a big pumpkin. Aww. It's not really a big pumpkin, but it's a okay size. It probably weigh about 8 pounds. Probably 8-9 pounds. 6 pounds, I don't know. But yeah, it's not really a smooth pumpkin. The outside is very rough, as you can see. And I think I should open it up. Should I? I'm not using a pumpkin now. Well, I can bring a piece of it to my neighbor if it's ready. So let me know what you think, guys. You think it is ready?
So just to let you guys know, the white part of the pumpkin is a part that laid down on the sun and it's burnt out. Nothing is wrong with the pumpkin. It's just that it's been there for a long while, so it's burnt out. And the part that is mostly yellow, that part turned towards the sun, so that's why it's like that.
Should I cut it? Well, eventually I have to cut it because it's off the tree. But I don't know. Okay, also they say that like pumpkin like these, where you have this very pronounced, what do you call this, slice, very pronounced slices around it. Each slice is a pound. So if each slice is a pound, then this pumpkin weighs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pounds. My first guess was 8 pounds. I really don't have a scale,
so I cannot really know the weight. It feels like 8 pounds, 7, 8 pounds, 9 pounds, but yeah, I might cut it, give my neighbors a piece, and then I don't know, freeze the rest until I'm ready to use it. I think I should do that, but I'm gonna get my knife and I'm gonna cut it and see what it looks like on the inside. So be right back. Okay, so I'm back with the knife. Also, I should say that I'm not really a pumpkin lover. I put it in smoothies sometimes, but I'm not really a pumpkin eater. So most of it I'm gonna share with others. I'm gonna visit my mom tomorrow, so she can get a piece. It's a small pumpkin, I know. It's of it. And my neighbors and my friends. So I am gonna open it. Hopefully it is good. So I'm just gonna set up this phone so I can cut the pumpkin so that you guys can see. It is my first pumpkin, so I want everybody to taste. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this stem. Ooh, it's very hard. Oh my god, guys, look at it. Oh my god, look. I think it is ready. I think it's been ready for a while. So pumpkin it's very hard to cut, so I'm gonna be cutting it in half first. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god, this pumpkin is thick. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Now this is what you call some curry pumpkin. This is lovely. Oh my god, this is lovely. It's beautiful. Oh my god. So I'm gonna just call my neighbor. I have this very nice neighbor, Mr. Joe. He's always admiring my garden. He plants as well. So I'm just gonna, he also tell me sometimes when I should reap. Is it a good time to reap? He does. So he has to get a piece of this pumpkin. So this is it. Lovely. I hope you guys are inspired to start your own backyard garden. This was a lovely journey for my one and only pumpkin. What do you think about this pumpkin vine now? Should I leave it since it's the only pumpkin that grew on it, or I should root it up? Does it have another season? Is it gonna bear again? Please let me know before I start rooting everything up. I have sweet potatoes to harvest. I don't know when, but yeah, it's going along. In December I'll be harvesting some gungo peas. Yeah, So keep watching and you'll see more harvesting videos. Bye.